Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So the first one starts off with someone who does have kind of like a reddish brownish colored hair. You can tell that her roots have grown out from the color that she previously got, and she is in the salon getting a brand new hair shade. So it looks like she's going to be going lighter, and she ended up getting this beautiful blonde ombre combination. She does have money piece highlights going there in the front as well. Some nice balayage color as well. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I always feel like I'm saying it wrong, but I'm sure you guys will correct me if I'm not. So moving on to the next transformation, she also starts off with grown out color. So it looks like she's going with this bold purple shade. So she's keeping the roots dark. Oh, wow. Beautiful purple and violet hair shade. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. So they already show the results for the next one. Such a unique color combo. So I'm going to have to get a better look at this. The stylist is going in with the color. I love to see unique color combinations, something that's different. So the stylist has bleached the hair, and then they're going in with more color. So it looks kind of like a platinum blonde mixed with copper. Very pretty. I love this transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we move on to the next one. Looks like she is getting some highlights. Oh, wow. So she got like highlights, lowlights. Full color. Beautiful. So then we have someone cutting their hair. Oh, so she went with a classic jet black pixie cut. Very nice. So the next transformation features the classic way to do ombre. She does have like blonde, honey blonde on the ends, and then a money piece highlight going in the front as well. The way that the ombre is done is it's like a very stark contrast. So it almost kind of reminds me of that dip dyed color trend that we were seeing a few years ago. So moving on to the next one, she starts off with classic chocolate hair. Oh, so she went with this gorgeous blonde color, beautiful ash blonde, money piece highlights in the front as well. This is probably one of the top hair color combinations that we're seeing this year. It's very popular. The color is so well blended into her natural hair. I think it looks amazing. So moving on, so she starts off with grown out colored hair as well. Looks like she had blonde at some point. Gorgeous. Hair color is perfectly blended as well. The waves just really enhance the hair color. Oh wow, so then next we see this copper ginger tone pixie with an undercut. This is a very popular hair idea as well, dyeing the top portion of the hair and then leaving the rest the natural tone. So it looks like she started off with red hair and then she ended up getting some black hair extensions. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. And then it looks like we have someone cutting their color off. And she dyed the hair back to its natural tone, and she is getting a curly pixie cut. So the stylist is doing finger waves in the front and just kind of defining the curls. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair color transformations with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.